Hello, hello, mighty pirates! So, what are we going to do today? Today we're going to test this unit here, which seems to be really nice, very clean, the plastics are perfect, and we're going to use it with a real machine here and a demo disc kit, where actually this is a demo disc that comes from Germany, I think. But anyway, this is going to be really fun. So, let's begin. Alright, so first thing to do is get the flop inside here and close. And now we are going to load the directory here. So, by pressing return, floppy starts to go, and yeah, of course, you can make a list of it. Oh my goodness, it works perfectly. Here it is. It is the game that we are going to load. Why are we going to use this game, Battlecast, to test this drive out? Because this game has got a really nice copy protection system, and it also is able to create a backup copy of itself. So we're going to test this unit by reading and writing, and of course we're going to try also the copy that this unit has been able to make. Okay, so let's do it. So basically, when you load the game, it asks you to play the game or create a backup copy of it. So by switching from the original disk and the target disk, it copies first the side A and then the side B. And it's a pretty long process because it doesn't load everything in one step. So it takes a while. By the end of the copy, I will get back to you. All right? So let's insert original side B. I've been already copied the side A. As you can see here, the unit is loading. It does take a while, but I just want to show you. Long process. This is the old-fashioned way. And the copy here goes. Insert target side B, of course. So we're going to open this. Okay, carefully put this here. Then we take this floppy here. Wait a second. Side B, of course. Close it. Now I'm going to press the space bar. And so on. Okay? By the end of the process, I will get back to you. So we reached the end of the process. So basically this tells me that this drive here is functioning perfectly, because otherwise something bad will happen, like input-output error. I've seen that happen. So, okay. Insert copy of side A, then press spacebar to begin to play. Perfect. So we're going to switch, okay? Because this is the side B of the target. Here it is the original. So we are going to put this inside, close, and we go. And let's see, this is the copy of the disk, so if everything is, look at this, magical copy happened. So this is it. Of course, this is the game. I'm not going to bore you with the games, but I'm very happy that this unit works because it's a fabulous unit and it looks like nice. I do have an old 1541 to restore because it seems that it has got some input-output errors, and maybe it just need to clean the head of the drive. So that's all for now, and thank you for watching the video. Look at this. This is the copper. You need the manual to do this. With the manual, you have the answer to this question. Bye.